Looking for great food with the vibes to match? Then come on down to Latah Bistro here in Spokane. With a lush patio full of flowers and a romantic and cozy interior, this place is the perfect spot for a relaxing lunch, a night out with friends, or a date night over a tall glass of wine.
Like, this is a place I want to bring my friends. This is a place I just want to hang out and chill.
Just very charming and kind of a little cozy spot.
Spokane's best secret.
What do people say when they come here for the first time? I didn't know you were here. This is a little secret gem hidden away.
Owner Susan Shelby has worked tirelessly to make Latah Bistro a destination spot for Spokane. Alongside her team in the kitchen, they're using Washington's bountiful fresh food to take things up a notch.
It's been really inspiring to me watching the kitchen and Chef Dylan source local fresh ingredients in honor of all the farmers that grow those. Using fresh ingredients makes our job easy to put out a really delicious plate that people will remember.
We live just up the road, so it's easy to come down and have a nice meal without driving too far.
Like the farm to table, locally sourced, is really like what brings me back.
Good vibes, for sure.
Don't go anywhere because later in the show, Latah Bistro's Chef Dylan and I will be making a special roasted carrot va du vin.
Shall we?
Yes, yeah, go ahead.
You're gonna join me?
Yes, I will.
Okay, don't make me eat alone.
Yeah, no.